welcome to FTS News, where we report exciting news for kids. My name is Ramone Hamilton, and I'm reporting live from Los Angeles, California, and I'm here on the red carpet at the Dorothy Chandler Pavilion Grand Hall for the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Celebrating the Dream Luncheon, and you will see and hear from some very special guests that have attended this incredible event. I'm here with Academy Award winner Mr. Forrest Whitaker. Hello, Mr. Whitaker. My name is Ramone Hamilton with FTS News. And Mr. Whitaker, what brings you to this event?
Well, in support of the Martin Luther King Community Hospital and the building of it and the opening of it. So this foundation is working with it. It's doing that, and I wanted to be here to support it.
What brings you to this event?
Well, I wanted to come and support the cause. This is an important opportunity to show our support for good health in our community, to recognize individuals who have been instrumental in helping that, and to celebrate the reopening of the MLK Hospital. So I'm happy to be here to celebrate that with you and others.
Well, this is the opening, the kickoff of what is going to be a fascinating year for the Martin Luther King Community Hospital. It is a hospital that I worked very hard on. It's in my district, in the 2nd District in the County of Los Angeles, and we want to bring first-rate health care to our constituents. That's why I'm here today.
I'm honored to be here alongside Supervisor Mark Woodley Thomas, and it's a great day for us to celebrate the achievements, accomplishments of having this Martin Luther King Hospital open, the support we're getting from the community, and inspiring young people to get into these careers and hopefully provide an empowerment tool for the entire community.
Here to support the memory of Dr. Martin Luther King, as well as the healthcare industry, who are recognizing people within that industry. Healthcare, public safety, education are pillars of our society that often we take for granted, and so we need to take time to recognize and work toward making all of those systems as good as they can be, and to look for opportunities to raise the bar for everybody.
Thank you. And what do you think about this event?
I think it's a great event. It's an opportunity to bring people together. I see people here from all over the community, business, labor, the medical community, social activists. And again, I just think it's a way for us to celebrate the importance of good health and how we all must be responsible, and not just our health, but the health of our community.
Actually, last year, my mother was diagnosed with breast cancer, but thank God she's still alive and well, and she defeated cancer. And what inspired you to make a stand for cancer?
Oh, well, I think all of us that started Stand Up to Cancer were touched by cancer. In my case, I lost my mother to cancer, and I have 2 sisters that are both cancer survivors, much like your mom, Carol.
How did you step up to cancer?
Yes. Very much like your mom, I had a very close friend, my producing partner, who passed away from cancer, and she was actually one of the co-founders, who's unfortunately not here today. And so it was really first about her and rallying around her and supporting her and being part of, like, what can we do to get to the cure for cancer faster, because patients don't have 10, 20 years to wait for a new treatment. And so we decided we were going to accelerate the progress by getting scientists to collaborate together. You've probably talked to a lot of the co-founders. There's like 7, 8 of us. Well, the more the better, and that's what we think about, putting scientists together.
I got involved in this in the same way that you are. My mother unfortunately lost her battle to cancer. She had ovarian cancer, and all of the co-founders, we'd all been touched by cancer. And if you ask anybody in any room, have you been touched by cancer, almost every single arm will go up, because all of us have been affected by it. So we wanted to do something different, and we wanted to bring people to collaborate and to work together. And that's how Stand Up to Cancer was formed, because each of the co-founders had been touched by cancer.
Mr. McDonald, do you have any inspiring words for today's youth?
I absolutely do. When you think about how lucky we are to live in this country that we live in, to have the opportunities that we have, this America is still the land of opportunity. And for our young people out there, there's a couple of things you need to keep in mind, and that's to have high hopes, big dreams, and to work very hard toward those dreams, to have an adult, at least one role model, somebody who can help mentor you and then to ask for help from people who are in the field that you want to go into, to reach out to them and ask them to help mentor you along as well. We all have to work together in order for any of us to be successful. So by working as hard as we can at whatever it is we're doing, and right now for young people that's education, being in school, doing the best you can, getting along with other people, and looking down the road for opportunities, and again, dreaming big and working hard toward those dreams.
Thank you, Mr. McDonald.
I would say for young people, reach for the stars. Don't take no for an answer, and don't let anybody tell you you can't be and you can't dream, because that's an important lesson on the cusp and eve of Martin Luther King holiday, that we realize that that dream is for all of us, and it's inclusive, and we need to empower our young people and especially give them hope and inspiration. So I'm delighted to meet you and happy that you're here.
Well, I think all young people should reach very high, because they can be the doctors, the nurses, the physicians' assistants, the administrators who run this hospital. They study hard, study consistently, and keep reaching, and let no one turn you around.
I think you have to reach for your dreams. Never allow your limitations to be a wall that you can't see through. Think of them as a door that you have to open, not as one that's closed.
I have a dream that one day my 4 children will live in a world where they're not judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. had a dream, and FTS News wants you to dream too. Dream on. And I'm Ramone Hamilton with FTS News, and you just witnessed a wonderful event. Check us out on the next episode. Bye.